Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to remove filter from saved photos in Snapchat. So if you also want to remove filters from saved photos in Snapchat, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So Snapchat does not really have a feature to remove the filter from the saved photos, but there is a technique that you can use. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Snapchat application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Snapchat has been opened. Initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. At bottom you'll be able to find several icons over here. If you look right over here, you'll be able to find the icon for memories. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the memories interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find the option for home, camera roll, stories, my eyes only. Make sure home option is selected. Now you'll be able to see all the saved photos over here. Simply tap on the photo from which you want to remove the filter. After that, you can see over here that particular photo will be opened. You can see over here right now there is a filter. At right, you'll be able to find several icons over here. Simply tap on the drop down icon that you can see right over here. Now after that, you'll be able to see all the icons over here. Now you'll be able to swipe right and left in this photo. If you swipe right, you'll be able to see several filters over here. Now from here, you'll be able to change the filter. Over here, what you have to do is find the option for no filter. Simply find the option for it. Once you find it, simply select it. Now after that, to some extent, your filter will be removed from the photo. You can go ahead and export the photo if you want. So that is how you remove filter from saved photos on Snapchat. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.